Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone is findable but won't turn on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just charge your iPhone for 30 minutes or more and make sure to use Apple's own original charger with your iPhone. If this did not fix your issue, then check if the charger you are using is working or not. Just use another charger with your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. Or if your iPhone supports wireless charging, you can use a wireless charger to charge your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then just check the charging port of your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Now, after you charge your iPhone for 30 minutes or more, try to force restart your iPhone. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button on your iPhone until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then charge your iPhone for a few hours, then try to force restart it. And if the issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix iPhone is findable but won't turn on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.